Past 3 years have been absolutely amazing, but like any profitable trader, you're always going to have a red month, and so far June has been that for me. But with that said, we did close a profit today. Most of that, basically all of that, coming from LMND. Closed out today for a 14.68% profit, and that was on shares alone. You can see that we ended up entering here on the 27th of May and finally closed that out. And my goal is to go over why I took the position, why I closed it out today, even though I think it's going to continue to rally, and when I plan to get back in. If you want to learn our strategy for free, get access to all the indicators that you see here, go check out our free course library down in the description. Everything I know about trading, all my custom indicators, everything is there completely for free. And the only thing that I ask in return is that you actually respect the system by taking all of the classes and, more importantly, taking them in sequential order. Now let's take a look at the actual strategy. You can see that following our strategy over the past 4.1 years on LMND would have given us a return of 474% on shares alone. This would have crushed the buy and hold strategy. If you would have just bought and held LMND for the past 4.5 years, you would actually be down right now 50%. So for those of you who say that trading doesn't work and that technical analysis is BS, you can have your opinions, but I promise you it's not. Most importantly about the strategy and about what you're seeing here on your screen is that our win rate, meaning the amount of times that we are right and that we succeed, is very low. Only 37% with this strategy. That means that 63% of the time, if you were following this with LMND, you would have lost money. Now, how is it possible to be that profitable while losing that frequently? Well, it all comes down to risk versus reward ratio. If this risk versus reward ratio was 1, we would have lost a ton of money, but instead it's 4.49. What that means is that when we win, even though it's only 37% of the time, we win 4.5 times the amount of money that we lose. You can see our average win when we're right is 19.79%, so massive profit. And the bulk of the time when we lose, we're only losing an average of 4.41%. And that is how profitable trading is done. It's not through being right all of the time. It's by making sure that when you win, you are getting paid way more than when you lose. And going back historically, you can see, yeah, there's a ton of losses, but they're very small, followed by a 35% win, followed by some small wins, followed by a 117% win, and so on and so forth. And so what makes my strategy so strong is not the fact that we're always right. It's the fact that when we're right, it pays for literally 5 losers. So looking at this most recent setup, you can see that we would have gotten in here May 28th, 2025. The reason that we would have gotten in and the reason that this strategy would have entered is because the daily BX increased while the weekly BX increased at the same exact time. So you can see that the weekly was showing strength, BX trender was increasing, the daily was also increasing. When those two align, especially the monthly, that shows that we're in a really good time for an expansion overall. From there, we had a breakout best case scenario at one point of about 34%. Actually, I'm sorry, would have been about 28% because we would have entered at the top of that candle. Now, how come we only got an 11% profit? Well, that's because even though we would have been up and we were up 28%, by the time this candle closed red, we would have only made an 11.38% profit. Now, some of you might say, that's great. I mean, yeah, you could have been up 28%, but you made 11%. That's great. But I'm sure there's another handful of you who are saying, well, dude, aren't you mad that you were up 3 times that at one point and you didn't lock in profits? And the truth is, no. When I started trading 11 years ago, for the first 5 years, I would have been mad. I would have said, oh, I could have, I should have, I would have given back money. But the truth is, there's no way we would have known that that was the top, right? I cannot consistently sell at the top and buy at the bottom. I have no idea when that's going to happen. But what I can consistently do is follow this strategy. I can consistently buy when the BX shows an increase. I can consistently sell when the BX hits a lower low. And so over the long term, and what makes me sleep like a baby at night is not how much money I could have made, how much money I would have made. It's just sticking to my system. If I stick to my system, if I follow my entry and exit requirements, then I am a happy man. And that's all that matters. So looking at LMND, do I think this is going to continue to run? Yeah, I think that LMND's probably going to push up to about $52 to $53 in the coming months. But once my criteria is met once again, then I will simply enter. And if it's not met and price continues to sell off, then I will continue to sit out. It's as simple as that. Like I said in the beginning, if you want to learn our strategy, link is in the description, completely free. And if you want to get access to all of my real-time trade alerts, all of my trading bots, and trade with me and my community each and every single day, the link to our private Discord community is at the bottom of that free course page. All of our real-time bot alerts are dropped there each and every single day. And I hope to see you